In the far north, where the land is covered in ice and the wind never rests, life begins with courage. This is the Arctic, beautiful, silent, and unforgiving. Among the migrating birds is Ploey, small, young, and not yet ready for the sky. While others spread their wings with confidence, Ploey watches with fear in his eyes. As the flock disappears into the clouds, Ploey is left behind. For the first time, he stands alone, in a world far bigger than he ever imagined. But the Arctic shows no mercy to the weak. Hidden in the snow, danger waits, watching, hunting. Just when hope begins to fade, kindness appears in unexpected forms. Strangers become friends, and fear gives way to trust. The storm is not only in the sky, it is inside Ploy's heart. To move forward, he must believe in himself, even when the world pushes him back. After darkness comes light. Beyond the frozen winds lies a valley filled with warmth, color, and hope.